Ninjas, we made it out of the safe house. Chad and Daniel got stuck behind.
But our mission right now is to take the bottle with Justin's fingerprint on it because that fingerprint unlocks the source code.
And we think PZ9 is the one who took the bottle. So we gotta go find him.
Look, where are we?
Are we in a different country, state?
I don't know.
City?
The vents led us to here?
Spy Ninjas, let us know in the comment below if you see PZ9 anywhere. There's so many people.
Hey, wait, isn't PZ9 even wearing a different outfit now?
I think he has like a new identity almost. But I don't even know what he looks like right now.
He wouldn't be out and about in the open, right?
No, I think he'll be hidden in somewhere place dark, maybe quiet.
There's a door.
It looks like it might be like a large tunnel or something. Look at these pipes.
Is there someone there?
There's another door.
Oh.
It's completely locked. This corner is safe. No PZ9 around. Look, this door behind us.
Okay,
It's locked also. Wait, whoa. Do you hear that? Yes. PZ9.
I'm just trying to make an income by being the top boss of YouTube.
That's definitely PZ9. He's like vlogging? Is he trying to be a YouTuber now?
I have everything I need to hack YouTube. The source code and Justin's fingerprints to unlock the source code. Now with all the power on YouTube, I can delete everybody's favorite spy ninjas.
That confirms it. He took Justin's fingerprint.
So now he has the fingerprint and the source code. Combined, he can take over YouTube.
All I need is 15 minutes. Because in 15 minutes, YouTube will be all mine. And you guys will be watching PZ9 too. Things don't get me, that's kind of weird.
15 minutes? That's it?
Oh my gosh, we have to save YouTube in 15 minutes
We gotta go get that bottle.
with Justin's fingerprint on it.
He's gonna turn into PZ9 too?
That's a terrible name.
Yeah, that's really bad. Okay, let's go. Where'd he go? What? No one's there. What the heck? Yeah, he's gone. Okay, we gotta go after him.
Okay, we're outside now.
Yeah, we're definitely in LA.
Yeah, we are in Hollywood.
Hollywood,
right?
yes, the Hollywood Walk of Fame. The Spy Ninja should have a star, right?
Right, yeah. Is that PZ9 right there?
Oh my gosh, is that him?
Wait,
No, that looks like PZ6, not PZ9. Wait, right there.
why is PZ9 in a souvenir shop? Wait, he's looking at trophies? He's putting it down. Put it down.
If only I wasn't running low on cash.
Dang it! I almost got the bottle. What was he even looking at? Best superstar? Is this what he wanted to buy himself? But he couldn't afford it because it was $4.99? Well, since PZ9 wanted this, maybe I'll buy it right now. And maybe it'll come in handy in the future. I don't know. We'll see. I just bought it. But where's V at? V? V?
Over here. Over here. I got some stuff. I bought these.
What the heck?
Yeah.
We have a mission to...
Wait, didn't you buy something too?
Oh yeah, but it's for the mission.
Yeah, this is for the mission also. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the Chinese theater here? But where is PZ9? Wait. Look. Is that him over there?
There's so many people, V.
Is that him?
Oh, wait. That's definitely him. Yeah. That's him. Let's keep going.
He's going to the stairs. Those are the piano stairs.
Wait.
The stairs that make music.
Wait, so if we follow him, he'll know.
Oh, the noises.
So we can't do that right now, but it looks like he's stopped doing
Yeah,
something.
I don't know what he's doing. We gotta get a little closer.
How do we do that though? Without making a noise.
Let me investigate real quick here. Look, next to the stairs, you see there's a little stairs? I think we can go up there. We just gotta stay really low. This is kind of dangerous, so make sure to give this video a big thumbs up right now to give me good luck, and PZ9 won't find out.
He's writing something down.
I can't see it because I'm below him. We gotta go a little higher, so then I can look down and see what he's writing.
Oh, make sure he doesn't see you though.
Okay. I see the bottle?
Do you think your arms are long enough to grab it?
I don't know, I'm a tiny spy ninja, but I'll try. He moved.
He might see us. Let's just go up.
Okay.
Do you see what he's saying?
Okay, let me zoom in real quick with the camera. But I think it looks like he might be asking for $5. Yeah, and his hand is kind of covering it, so I can't really see. I need my binoculars.
Oh, wait, I have it.
You have it? Oh, okay.
V, they're here somewhere in the spy essential kit.
Oh! Regina, I can't believe you dropped the spy essential kit. Charles made all that noise.
Hey, do you think he'll hear us?
He's coming. Yes, he did. He did it.
gosh.
He heard it.
Spy ninjas.
I think he might be gone. Let's get out of here. Okay. 15 minutes is almost over. We need to hurry up.
Yeah, on his page, it looked like he was asking for $5, right?
And on the street, out in the boulevard, the Hollywood Boulevard, there's a ton of people asking for money.
He's probably down there asking for money right now.
Okay, you know, on the boulevard, there's a lot of people asking to take pictures with them, you know, in costume. Maybe PZ9 think he's like a superstar or something because he's the
does.
best fighter.
Yeah.
So maybe he thinks people will pay to take pictures of him. What a fool. Look, there's Spider-Man and Darth Vader. Do you think he's disguised as one of them?
Can we go up to them and ask?
I'll ask Spider-Man, you can ask Darth Vader.
But Darth Vader's scary. That's not PZ9 though. He's too tall.
He is. Okay.
Wait, Spider-Man's taking the picture. That's also not PZ9.
No.
Let's get out of here.
Yeah.
He has to be along these streets.
Oh, doesn't over there.
Oh my gosh.
Back up.
Back up. He's taking a picture with a star?
Yeah, I wonder who it is. Who does he actually idolize? I feel like he's full of himself.
I know, I feel like he idolizes himself.
Does he have a star?
He does not have a star.
He better not have a star. Get out.
We need a star before he has a star.
Yeah, exactly.
He's gone. Let's go. Bruce Lee?
Bruce Lee.
Who's that?
Bruce Lee is like the best fighter in the whole world. Does he think he's the best fighter in the whole world? Oh, he is so delusional.
Bruce Lee would win in a fight, right?
He would win anyone. He can beat anybody. Oh, maybe not Chuck Norris. I'm not sure. Over there? Is that him right there?
That's definitely him.
Is that him? What's he doing? Oh my gosh.
Wait, he's holding up a sign.
Look at his foot. On his left foot
That's
is
the
the
thing.
bottle. The bottle with Justin's fingerprint on it. We need to think quickly right now.
In just a couple minutes, YouTube will be PZ9 too. What are we
Horrible
gonna do?
name, but horrible idea. Remember when we were in the souvenir part? I got some clothes and sunglasses.
Yeah.
Maybe I can go in disguise and pretend walking by and just see what the sign says.
Okay, good idea. And then maybe you can walk up to him and grab the bottle while you're in
Yes.
disguise.
I'll use my stealth tiny spy ninja mode. Disguise time. How do you look, you guys?
Oh,
Definitely not V anymore.
definitely not. You're
Yeah.
someone else. You look like a tourist.
I do.
Yeah.
Oh, where am I?
Take this spy pen, see what it says. Maybe grab the bottle if you can. Good luck, V.
Okay.
Insults, $5. Come get your insults.
Dang it!
$5, come on.
At least the disguise is working, right?
Insult me.
All right, good idea. Yeah, pay for an insult, whatever.
You look awfully familiar.
No.
He recognizes her. Get out of there, V! Get out of there!
I gotta go. Okay.
Oh gosh. Oh wait. V.
Okay. It didn't work. He was getting suspicious. He got too close to me. I freaked out, and I was like, no, I gotta get out of here before I get found out by PZ9.
Where's he going now? Oh, he's leaving again.
Gotta get out of my disguise. Guys, we've been running uphill for so long. It got so hot, I gotta take off my disguise. It didn't work anyway, so it didn't really matter. But where's PZ9 going anyways? We can't let him get the source code. You guys, only a few minutes left.
Oh, God.
We need to hurry.
Wait, V, do you hear that? I know that laugh. Where is it coming from?
Like, way over there, I think. Oh. It's like the sound's traveling from this way.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I feel it. I mean, hear it.
Wait, that's him. Is he vlogging again?
Duck. Wait, what is he doing? I think he's making another vlog.
Okay, we gotta get closer, Regina. He's distracted making a vlog right now, so this is the best time to get the bottle with Justin's fingerprint on it.
Let's go. He's right there.
He's still vlogging. Okay, Spy Ninjas, let me know if you see the bottle anywhere. Do you see that? The bottle. It's in the railing. It's gotta be that one.
There's no Wi-Fi over here. There's a lot of information that I gotta upload, so it's probably gonna take a couple minutes. Yeah, that's it. In a couple of minutes, PZ9 tube will start. Name still pending.
Did he say only in a few minutes?
Yeah, only a few minutes.
Oh my gosh, we need to think of a plan quick.
Gotta do this, hurry. The bottle's just right over there. I'm just gonna go and grab it.
Wait, no, V.
Wait, what?
Did you see what's behind us?
Oh my gosh.
It's a huge body of water.
Yeah. I gotta back up.
Back up.
I
Let's
need
go
to
this
back
side.
up. This side. Okay, there's no water over here. So here's the plan. Even though there's like a huge body of water back there, I think we just need to save YouTube. And I just gotta like forget about my fears. I'm gonna place this trophy here. Are you in shock?
Yeah, I can't believe you're doing this.
We're all brave, strong, and loyal. I'm gonna replace this trophy with the bottle. When he sees it, he's gonna like forget about the bottle and just was like, oh, this is the trophy I've been waiting for.
He won't even notice that the bottle is missing because he'll be so distracted by this. Okay, that's a great plan. He's not facing us right now. It's your time. All right, go.
Oh, Hollywood! I feel like I almost deserve an Oscar for all my acting.
See if it works.
Hopefully. Okay, he doesn't spot it yet, but there it is.
Gotta get those fingerprints.
It's right there.
Oh,
Oh no.
Oh gosh.
Oh gosh.
huh. Somebody just left a trophy here? Best superstar?
Working.
Well, it's like this was made for me. Yes.
It's working.
It's totally working.
Thank you. I truly accept this award for all my battle royales and butt kicking. Yeah. Whoa. Well, thank you to everybody who supported me. Yes.
Is he thanking the audience right now? The invisible audience? Gosh, PZ9's such a self-centered
Pants peer.
Yeah!
Ah, what a blessing to start PZ9 tube. Now I just need that bottle with the fingerprints on it. Oh no! Where is it?
We gotta get out of here!
Let's go.
Let's go!
Let's get out of here.
Must be the spy ninja!
Oh no.
Oh no! He knows it's us!
He's getting closer.
Where is he?
Oh god.
Halt!
We halted. What do you want?
I want the bottle back.
Is this what you want to take over YouTube with? With Justin's fingerprints?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Here, take it!
No! This is the only thing I needed to take over YouTube for myself, and you all ruined it. You guys will regret this for the rest of your lives.
Oh no.
Or until I find Justin again.
What? What? Oh gosh. Let's just get out of here, V.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go the opposite way of PZ9!
Yeah.
But PZ9 is still mad. He's out here somewhere. We gotta meet up with Chad, Daniel, and Justin!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
We gotta run.
There's hackers coming, there's hackers!
Hackers are coming.
What happened?
Alright guys, YouTube is saved. I broke the bottle that Justin's fingerprint was on, so we're good. But
Yes, nice!
But it's not safe here. We need to go back to our safe house in Las Vegas.
Okay, yeah, let's go to Vegas.
Wait,
Let's go to
guys,
Vegas.
I live in Hollywood. I have work to do in Hollywood. I can't go to Vegas right now. Is it okay if I just go home?
Oh, yeah, about that, Justin.
About what?
We kind of messed up and your house is full of hackers.
What?
Yeah, I know you wanted us to protect it and all, but there's like 30 hackers inside your house right now, so...
You let an infestation of the grossest insect to rot the walls in my house?
Yes, they're probably on your computers right now.
Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for the hacker house. Thanks. That's exactly what I wanted to come home to.
Okay, Justin, we've got a secret ninja dojo. I'm gonna give you the instructions or the directions, how to get there. You can stay there for a while, okay?
Well, I needed to train a little bit, so as soon as you guys get rid of my hackers, I'll go home.
I don't know if we'll be getting rid of those hackers, but you can go to the dojo. We're gonna go to Las Vegas. Justin, it was so good hanging with you, my man.
These guys, all right.
Okay.
I still love you guys.
Goodbye, guys. Did you not get in here?
You silly, silly spy ninjas. You ruined my hopes and dreams. Now I'll make sure to do the same for you all. This won't be the last that you'll hear from me, spy ninjas. It's not over.